Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning Nuggets channel. Today we are going to learn about the early evolution and the history of computers, how the computers what we see today and what it was and how it actually started is what we are going to talk about today. The earliest computing machine which was used by man was known as abacus. Abacus was founded around 3000 years ago and it was mainly used for counting. It was used for both addition as well as subtraction. Even nowadays in India, you find in many cities they are teaching abacus classes. Mainly, it helps in development of your, fast development of developing an interest in maths and development of your brain. You are able to think fast. So it's a manual aid for calculations. So you can see the abacus is made up of a frame with some beads and stuff like that. The next important development in the evolution of computers was known as Napier's bones. Napier's bones actually came in the year 1550 to 1617. It was invented by a Scottish mathematician. So he invented logarithms, and if you observe this particular picture here, you can see that it was mainly used for multiplication, and he used 9 bones or 9 ivory sticks, and he placed them in such a way that you could do multiplication using Napier's bones. The next important development was actually made by another person by name William Oughtred. Okay, it was also based on Napier's bones, so it could do multiplications more quickly and easily. And he invented the slide rule. The slide rule was mainly you can imagine it to be the present day vernier caliper, where one ruler is used to slide over another ruler and the measurements were taken. So actual picture, this is William Oughtred, and the actual picture of William Oughtred's slide rule is little difficult to get, but you can imagine it to be of this sort. Okay, so then the important development which was made by Blaise Pascal in 1642. It was considered as the first mechanical calculator. It was made up of gears and it was mainly used for addition and subtractions. So Blaise Pascal invented this calculating machine known as Pascaline. So if you observe here, you have these gears here. So these gears were used, these gears are something like your phone dial, the olden days phone dial, if you remember, where we were using the trunk dialing. So like that the gears were rotated so that you could input the numbers. It was also considered the first mechanical calculator. And after this came Leibniz calculator in 1694. It was invented by Gottfried William Leibniz. It was an improvement of the Pascaline, and it was also mainly used for multiplication, and it used gears and dials. And then with the invent of Jacquard's loom in 1801, the Jacquard's weaving loom, it became very famous. You could he used punch cards, and you could do integrate patterns. You can do integrate patterns on this, and you could also print some text and numbers. So this is Jacquard's loom. And the earliest modern computing, see, all this was actually the basic calculations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and logarithms and things like that. But actually the real modern computer, which we see the input process output cycle, this idea was given by Charles Babbage, an English mathematician, in the year 1834. So Charles Babbage gave lot of contribution for the modern computers. So he is also known as the father of computers. So first he invented the difference engine to perform differential calculations. He was a mathematical professor, so he invented the difference engine. So this is Charles Babbage. He is also known as the father of computers. So if you see here, this is the difference engine. It was as big as a locomotive, and it was powered by steam, and it could perform large calculations, and it was able to print results automatically. So you can imagine it was as big as a locomotive. and you can imagine the computers that we are having today. So this was the first modern computer that was actually designed. You can also observe how large it is, how much space it has been occupying. And Charles Babbage, after 10 years of difference engine, he started working on another, he invented one more engine called as the analytical engine. It was the first general purpose computer, and it used punch cards. Along with them, another lady by name Lady Ada Lovelace worked on this analytical engine. So she created algorithms and used it for the development of this analytical engine. She is considered as the world's first computer programmer. So this is Lady Ada Lovelace. So she is considered as the world's first computer programmer, and this is a difference engine by the analytical engine by Charles Babbage. Actually, the analytical engine was not actually made, though it was the improvement of the difference engine. Next, you have Aldrich's tabulating machine, which came in 1889 AD. So he was an American, and he used this tabulating machine to count the population of USA. He used a punch card reader. So he used the punch cards to take input, and he made a reader so that large amount of data was being able to be stored. So he also founded the tabulating machine company, which was later known as International Business Machine. So this is Holdridge's tabulating machine. So if you observe here, it is also made up of a lot of gears and stuff like that. And this is a lady who is tabulating the census. Census is the population of USA. They use that machine to calculate the population of USA in the early 80s, and then 1800s. And then this is the punch card reader, which was used by Holdridge. So in today's lesson, we learned that abacus is the earliest computing machine, which was used 3,000 years ago. So in your first PU exam, they may ask you these questions. They may ask you which is the earliest computing machine found. Then you can say it's abacus. And John Napier's bones was used for multiplication. The slide rule was founded by William Oughtred, and it was just an improvisation of Napier's bones. And this is an important question. Pascaline, about Pascaline, they ask who founded Pascaline. Then you should say Blaise Pascal. And what did Blaise Pascal find? If they ask you, then invented. If they ask you, they should say it's Pascaline. And this is Leibniz mechanical multiplier, and Jacquard's loom used weaving patterns. And the early modern computing was founded by Charles Babbage. So the questions that you may get is, who's the father of computers? You should say it's Charles Babbage. Or who is considered as the engineer or pioneer of modern computing? Again, you should say Charles Babbage. So what did he invent? It is difference engine and analytical engine. And who is considered as the first computer programmer in the world? You should say it is Lady Ada Lovelace. Or how is Lady Ada Lovelace famous for? You should say she is the first computer programmer. And what is Holdridge's tabulating machine known as? Then you can say that the company is known as IBM. IBM stands for International Business Machines. So this is a small introduction to the history of computers. Hope you all enjoyed. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.